case for Confederation grows stronger. The Atlantic provinces are now willing to listen. We are isolated and economically weak, but united. Just imagine, to the east, the Atlantic provinces, with their rich fishing and great ship lines. Next, Lower Canada, merged with Upper Canada, culturally distinct, but united in purpose. To the west, the vast territory of Rupert's Land, and beyond, the rugged promise of British Columbia, stretching all the way to the Pacific, a vast nation, from sea to sea with an iron spine and common idea.